If you're not a successful trader, you can just simply copy trades of other successful traders. Hi, this is Majid Rahimi, and in this video we are going to see one of the most famous copy trading methods, and we will learn how to copy trades of successful traders. I'm sure that most of you would hear new tips even if you know about this subject. You may have realized that you need to make money out of this market before even you know how to trade yourself. I want to show you the way of copying trades and also the points you should notice to choose the signal you want to copy its trades. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe in this channel for supporting us. Click on subscribe button and the notification bell under this video to get notified when I upload new videos. This video is divided to several parts. In the first part, I'm gonna show you the procedure of copying signals from Mql5 website, and then we will see some features of a reliable, profitable signal which is not dangerous for your capital. I showed these divisions in this video under this video in progress bar. You can skip any part that you think you know about it. We have talked about Mql5 website in previous videos, but we didn't see how we can choose and copy a signal from a successful trader. Let's see how this is possible. This is Mql5 website that we have talked about in previous videos. Today we want to see how we can use signals. We click on signals. Let's look at elements of this page one by one. As we want to copy trades of other traders in this video, so we don't talk about create signal. Create signal is for successful traders who want to make some money sharing their signals. We may create signals in next videos. In next section we have some filters to search between lots of signals published in the website. First of all, we should select between MetaTrader 4 and 5. Then we can select the exact broker server for getting best quality of copying signal. Next field, we can search the signal by its name, its author or its broker. Next part, we see some filters. We can change display method of signals, and also we can choose the sorting method of signals. For example, we can say signals with maximum profit to become first in the list, or for example they should have 1 to 100 leverage. We have some filters for searching more accurately in left sidebar. For example, leverage between 0 to 500. Filter of monthly profit for maximum drawdown filter. Then we can search using these filters. Now let's see what kind of features we are seeking for, and for this let's see an example between these signals. I opened this signal randomly and I do not command you to copy it or anything similar. We just want to see the information provided here, and every other decisions are up to you. When you select the signal, you can see a lot of information about it. At the top of this page you can see the name of signal, the name of the author. Under that you can see graph of growth for this signal. We can see the name of broker and also leverage which is being used by provider. Maximum drawdown is a very important parameter. I'll explain it later. Some of important information from statistics. On the right hand we can see other type of information, like for example equity. This signal provider has the equity of $29,000 in his original account. On the left side we have other information. In the screen box you can see subscription fee for mouse. For this signal it's $40 in a mouse. You should pay this amount to Mql5 website to be able to start copying this signal. We can see some tabs here. Let's look at them one by one, and let's start with count tab, which contains very important data about the signal and history of previous trades. This graph is for growth in percentage, and this line you can see here shows that after this number of trades this signal has been added to Mql5, and we don't have some information before this number. This account has started from 2018. You see the result of each year and also each month, and finally the whole account grows in percent. This is a graph for the exact number of balance including deposit and withdrawal, which are shown as triangles. There is another graph for showing equity and balance together, and this graph is important for us because growth graph or balance graph will not show us the exact risk of our investment. The blue graph is for balance and the green one is for equity. We can also have drawdown graph in separate picture in this section. I will talk about drawdown in this video, so don't worry about it. Well, the next tab is trading history. In this tab we see the previous trades in this account. We can also have an Excel report of this history. Next tab is statistics. It has a pack of most famous statistics for evaluating trading strategy, so I think you understand how important is this tab and its information. We will talk about evaluating systems and strategies in future videos. In distribution section you can see information by traded pairs. It can also be important in some cases. In risks tab we can see the deposit, load in positions and drawdown of the account and some other factors you may want to pay attention. We will talk about slippage. Slippages for different brokers for this signal are visible here. The next tab is description of signal, which is provided by signal author, and you should read it carefully. Most of signal providers say how the system works and other information about using signal. And next two tabs are for rating and reviews submitted by previous subscribers and also new events in Signal. Well, there are two ways for us to copy trades of Mql5 website. One of them is simply clicking on this green box and start copying the signal. As you see, MetaTrader opens and we can log in to our Mql5 account, and then as you see we can open the signal that we have selected, and then copying can be started. As this account is a real trading account, we can only choose real accounts signal, and we are not allowed to use demo and send signals. The second way of copying signal is finding and choosing the signal directly from Signals tab of MetaTrader. Okay, now let's copy one demo signal in MetaTrader. Well, I have a demo account here. I log into my Mql5 account. I choose one of these three signals to copy. I choose it randomly, and without looking to any result, we just want to subscribe. We click on subscribe for free. This window is for MetaTrader settings. For copying signal, you should check these boxes, and for copying stop loss and take profit levels, you should check this box. And these pre-fields are for the safety of your account and copy trading accuracy. Then I click OK, and as you see, copy trading has been started. It's visible in Trade tab, and also you can see the name of signal in Navigator. Here's a point you should notice. When you start copying a signal, you need your MetaTrader to keep open and also always connected to internet. You can keep your own computer turned on 24 hours a day, which is not recommended, and you can also buy a VPS which is working just like a computer, and you can install MetaTrader in your VPS, and it's always turned on and connected to internet. You can search the internet about VPS and how it works. There are some other really important factors to consider selecting a signal to copy. Let's look at them. As you see, there are lots of different signals in Mql5, but how should we know which signal is better for us? Here are some points which can help you avoid dangerous signals and big losses in trading with a signal. Maximum drawdown is one of the most important items that you should notice when you are selecting a signal. But what is maximum drawdown? Maximum drawdown is the maximum observed loss from a peak to a valley of portfolio before a new peak is reached. For example, if this number is 50%, this means that if the peak of your balance is $1,000, you have lost $500 before a new peak. This means that you should have the expectation of 50% loss when you start trading with this signal. Now imagine that a signal have 85% maximum drawdown. Would you trust this system? This system may be ruined sooner or late. Maximum drawdown is better to be under 30% or lower, and you shouldn't put all of your eggs in one basket. We should notice the volume of any trade and compare it with the account size. If the trader is using high leverage in his account, it might become dangerous, and in some sudden movements of market, we may lose whole our capital. After choosing a signal and start copying it, we should monitor the performance of signal in our trading platform, because it may have some differences because of differences in our broker fees, slippage, or VPS, and other unexpected factors. Monitoring system can help us copy more accurately and will help us get better results. There are some other factors you may consider making decision in your copy trading process, and it's up to you depending on your own circumstance. This video has come to its end. If you enjoyed it, like this video, share this video with anyone you think that might need it, And for supporting us, don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.